Hey y'all, welcome to my little spark lab. Today I'm having my very first finish of Diamond Art Club and my review for that kit. It is the Child of Heaven. Let me give you a good look at it and we will get on it. Now I have thoughts about this kit and I will share them all to you. I know my placement is not perfect, but we will get to the reasons why. And I have good things to say and I have some not so good things to say. But let's start first by saying that this was by far my fastest finish so far. It is 50.7 centimeters by 76 centimeters. And it's a large kit. It is a round kit. The sparkle is amazing and it is one of the things that I love. It has 41 colors including 2 EB and 1 fairy dust, 49,051 drills. I started it on May 2nd and I finished it on May 11th. And it is my first finish and maybe my only for the month of May. And my 8th finish of the year and my 30th finish overall. It took me a total of 35 hours and 4 minutes. It might be a lot for them, but for me, for a kit on that size, it is really nothing. Now, let's get to the good stuff. First of all, the rendering is amazing. It's very pretty. I love all the colors. The drills are amazing. They are very sparkly, and even though I'm not a round girl, I'm more of a square person, I couldn't stop working on it. I guess that's why I finished it so fast. They are very sparkly. Now the drill field is not very tight. If you multi-place, you will have to adjust the drills a little to the side because it will not cover your symbol perfectly. There is a little to be desired on the drill field. The bigger problem was the glue. It wasn't as horrible as I heard on other ones. I mean, once I put down the drills, they didn't go anywhere. Almost all the times. And I could use my Forever Young patty, which is softer and not as sticky as the ones you get from Etsy. So it worked good for it. And I used normal wax, the standard wax that comes with the kits, to place my ABs. Now, multi-placing was a struggle because sometimes you could play, not only because it had a little more space and they were aligning perfectly, but also because the glue is so not gluing that it didn't hold the drills down for the multiplacer. And also, if you had different colors on areas and use the multiplace, for example here there are 3 drills, use the multiplacer to place the 3 drills, it might pick up the other colors that are next to it. It wasn't that bad in some areas, it was horrible in others. There are areas, thankfully small ones, that weren't sticky at all. The good thing, as I said, is that once you put the drills down, they weren't moving. I don't have anyone missing so far, especially if you leave it finish your work for the day and leave it overnight. The glue sets a little better and it keeps them in place. But if you were trying to use a straightener, the drills will fly away. That's why I couldn't use the straightener, to make this even more beautiful than it already is. I mean, I could try to straighten the drills, not with a brute force, just, passing it through the drills and they will pop and I will use them. One more thing I have to say is that I didn't run any out of any drills. I had enough of every color, but I was pretty stressed, and it's a stress. Maybe I'm used to have a lot of spares, so it was pretty stressful for me to have just a very few of a color, and I was anxiously looking on the other sections to see if I will not it again, because I was seeing that I had like 20 left, and if they will be enough. And it is a stress I didn't much enjoy. And also I was stressed to not throw away, not be very picky with my drills. Sometimes they fly out of your tray, they fly out of the bottle, the system you have them, and you might need to find the right bottle to put them, and that's not always easy. I was keeping them on the side just to make sure in case I will need any of those that I will have it. Thankfully I didn't. I didn't have many trash. I have some trash, but that is not a deal breaker for me because every company has their fair share of trash. But the main problem with that was the glue. Nevertheless, I really love it. I really enjoy the end result. I just wish my first experience with Diamond Art Club was a little bit better. If the glue was as it should be, it will be the perfect experience. Anyway, I don't have many things to say. 3 specials, as I said, every white part is an AB. Wherever you see white, all of this is ABs, which is amazing. It was 2 big bags of ABs. There is a light blue AB on the sky in small clusters, and here on the blanket of the baby. And we have a yellow AB which was on the angel's dress, along with the normal one, and here on the moon, I guess, sun or moon, that it is behind her. Overall, a good experience. I would give it a 4-star experience only because of the glue. Anyway, let me know if you have worked on this kit. Let me know in the comments. How was your experience on it, if the glue was better? This kit, last time I checked, it was out of stock, but it's not archived yet, so you can sign up for notifications and grab it. And since it will be on later production, and I know that Diamond Art Club addressed the issue with the glue and hopefully fixed it, it will be the perfect experience for you. And I will see you on my next time, on my next video. Bye!